Okay, hello everyone. This is the new video of the new series, and today is a Sunday, so we're gonna solve the weekly contest 459 on the Leetcode, and we're gonna solve the part A, which name is check divisibility by digit sum and a product. So now we're gonna see the approach that how this question works, and the words the input and output says. Just like you are given a positive integer n, which determine whether the n is divisible by the sum of the following two values, like the digit sum of n, which means the both, like 23 means 2 plus 3, and then the digit product of n means, let's suppose the n equals to 24, then its digit sum may be 2 plus 4, and its digit product it's equals to 2 into 4. So we're gonna check here that is possible that digit sum equals to digit product modulus by the original number, which is n, is equals to 0 or not. If it's equals to 0, then we're gonna return a true value, and if it is not, then we're gonna return the false value. And here you can see the n equals to 99. It means the sum is 9 plus 9 18, and the product is 9 into 9 81. And if we're gonna do the sum of the both sum and product, so we got a original value, which is a 99. And we check exactly this, that if it is it possible that the sum of the both sum and product is equals to the original value or not. So okay, we now gonna see the code of this. And after, first of all, we write the int original, which is obviously equals to n, and after that we gonna write int sum, sorry, int let's suppose p is equals to n modulus 10. Here we have two digits, and if we have to access the one of those, like if we have to access the index one, like if we have a number 12 and we have to access a 1, so we're gonna apply the n modulus 10. It means it's denoted to the one address pointers through which we can access that what the question says. And after that we got write the variable name sum, which is 0, and int product, which is 1. We can't take a product equals to 0, because if we do a multiplication in the a product variable, it's always gonna be a 0. So in product equals to 1, then we apply a loop, and if our number is a positive n equals to 0, then we have to write int p. Okay, so no, we have to write this statement not in here, in the loop, because the loop iterates on the each element. That's why we have to write this in the loop. And after all that, we just have to write the sum plus equals to p, and product multiplication equals to p, means we have to store the all the value of sum of all the particular value in the sum variable, and the product of all the values in the product variable. We apply the semicolon, sorry, we have also dot here, so we just need to remove it. After all that, we have to do this. This is because if you have access of only one element and you have to move further, so you have to write n divide equals to 10, means it's iterate on the each element of the number. Like here is a 23, so if you check for the 3, after checking 3, you have to move on into the 2. So in the while loop, this statement is continuously run until we got the sum and product. And here we apply the semicolon. After all that, we just write a int total name variable, where we store our answer, which is a sum plus product. So in total equals to sum plus product and semicolon. And then we have to return original, which is n, the real number, modulus total. This condition is basically for proving that is this statement is correct or not. Because if you not, there is a not necessary to do this kind of thing in this problem, but you have to check the statement is a right or not. So this is the a very good thing for checking this statement. and after that you apply a semicolon, and here if you have to run this. Okay, so I hope you know what this is the contest problem, so we can't access having to see the is the test case is passed or not. But in the my approach, this question is completely gonna be a solved, and here's the my approach. So hope you like the solution. Wait. Okay, so we meet in the next video. Bye.